Welcome to Listen, Learn, and Love.
Hey everyone, it's Miss Jessica. Welcome to my world. Listen, Learn, and Love is a part of my world where we listen and learn from someone who loves what they do. And today's special guest is Mr. Courtney Grant, who has his own vegan cooking show here on YouTube called Vegan Cooking with Courtney. So let's welcome Mr. Courtney.
Hey! Oh my gosh!
Everyone, this is Mr. Courtney.
Hey guys!
So Mr. Courtney is what's called a vegan.
Yeah.
A vegan is someone who doesn't eat any type of animal products. Vegans don't eat meat, dairy products like cheese or cow's milk, or honey. However, vegans do eat everything else. Mr. Courtney, why did you become a vegan?
I really wanted to change up the way my body was feeling, and so I decided to go vegan, and it worked really well. I like the way I feel.
So can kids be vegans?
Kids can definitely be vegans. My sister has 2 kids, and both of them are vegan.
Oh, it's so important to find what types of food make you feel good. What's your favorite food?
My favorite food, guys, lasagna is everything.
So we're not making lasagna today, right?
No, we're not making lasagna.
But what are we making?
We're making vegan banana oatmeal cookies. I'm so excited.
Make sure you make these cookies with your grown-ups' help. The ingredients to make 5 large cookies: 3 ripe bananas, 1 to 2 cups of oatmeal, 2 medium-sized apples, 1 dark chocolate candy bar, agave, cinnamon, and 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Preheat the oven to 365 degrees.
Preheating.
So step 1, mash your bananas. It's really easy, and because they're ripe, they mash pretty quickly.
Yeah.
And look guys, this is all mashed up. Done. That took no time at all.
Step 2. Add your oatmeal.
1 cup of oatmeal dropped right on in. And you just want to spin this around, mix it up until you really like the consistency.
Step 3. Shape your cookie mix onto a non-stick cookie sheet.
So we are going to use an ice cream scooper.
And if you don't have an ice cream scooper, just use a spoon. If you wanted to have even more fun with this, you could use your hands. Pop it in your hands, make a nice circle, put it on the pan.
You can for sure.
Here, why don't you take the ice cream scooper and I'll take this spoon.
Okay, perfect.
Cooking with your grown-up builds self-confidence, and it's a great way to increase your ability to focus. Plus, it's super fun cooking with someone.
Teamwork.
Teamwork, dream work. We are going to use our spoon to give our cookies shape. You're gonna flatten them out, and then you're just gonna form them into your little cookie shape.
Step 4. Put your cookies in the oven for 25 minutes.
All right, I'll put it in the oven.
Perfect.
Step 5. Cook your apples in coconut oil for 10 to 15 minutes.
2 tablespoons of coconut oil, and our pan is heated up and ready to go, and we're gonna add our 2 apples that we used and we cut up, sliced, and we're just gonna put these in here.
Woo, it's cooking.
Make sure that you cook your apples up and make them golden brown. You're also going to add agave.
About how much agave?
We're just gonna use a sprinkle of it. It will take about 10 to 15 minutes to cook up all of your apples, but by the time this gets cooked, your cookies will be done.
Step 7. Melt the chocolate.
So we are going to add water to our pot. Now, depending on the size of your pot, you're gonna maybe need 2 cups, maybe 3, but you want the water to hit right about here, because you don't want your chocolate to get water in it, because it'll get all chunky and lumpy. Perfection. We are going to use dark chocolate. We still want it to get a little sweet, so we got 85% chocolate.
Okay, so wait, I thought chocolate had milk in it.
No, chocolate doesn't have milk in it unless you're doing milk chocolate. Do you want to put it on the stove?
Sure.
Awesome. Our cookies are done.
All right, let me put this on the stove. So remember, whenever you take something out of the oven and you are done with it, turn it off right away. So you just mix it up?
I'm just mixing it up and making sure that I press all of the chocolate that's not melted further down to the bottom so it can get melted.
Step 8. Put your cookies on a plate and add cinnamon to your cooking apples.
So our apples are finished. We're gonna add a little bit of cinnamon. Just gonna pour it on all over it.
Wow, that smells amazing.
It smells really good, right?
Oh.
So nice. And guys, these are done. They're finished. Our chocolate is finished.
Hey.
Our cookies are finished.
Hey.
And our apples are finished.
Hey.
Step 9. Place your cooked apples and melted chocolate on top of the cookies.
Look at that.
And now our chocolate. I'm so excited about this.
Me too.
It looks incredible. So all you want to do is use your spoon and drizzle it all on your cookie. Ah, so good. So good.
Yours are like drizzled, mine's just like chocolate.
Dropped it.
Step 10. My favorite step. Eat the cookies.
Beautiful. I love it, guys. And now we get to try some cookies.
These are huge cookies.
So big. I'm in love. Ready?
I'm ready.
Okay.
Go.
Mm. Really good.
This is amazing.
Thank you, thank you.
Yes. So, Mr. Courtney,
Yeah.
thank you so much for being a part of my world and being here with us.
Oh, absolutely. Thank you so much for having me, Miss Jessica.
Of course.
Absolutely.
It was our treat, literally. And thank you all for being here at Listen, Learn, and Love, learning a little bit about what veganism is and how to make delicious cookies. Make sure you subscribe, turn on the notifications, and if you learned something new today, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. This is Mr. Courtney. I'm Miss Jessica, and I'll see you soon.
Bye.